Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of June 2025, our system has rated SOXL as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.74. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper boundary of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. Currently, the 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 17.69% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -70.94% and -11.85%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected decline of about 70.80%. Based on our evaluations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -100% and -70.85% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $4.93. Our latest daily update for SOX includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SOX ETF Price After Monday Trading. The SOX ETF price gained 4.51% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, rising from $16.17 to $16.90. During that day, the ETF fluctuated 6.58%, with a low of $16.04 and a high of $17.10. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 8.1% during this period. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 88 million shares, totaling 101 million shares traded for approximately $1.71 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence, which could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 75.88% or $53.18 below the 52-week high, and 95.53% or $361.34 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has recently faced significant challenges, plunging from $69.42 last July to just $17 today. This decline reflects broader anxieties surrounding the semiconductor sector, particularly in light of fluctuating developments in artificial intelligence. This drastic drop has resulted in billions of dollars in lost value, raising concerns among investors about the fund's viability. Despite these challenges, SOXL has shown signs of resilience, entering a period of renewed investor interest fueled by a recent trade truce between the United States and China. This has sparked a rally in the technology sector, potentially providing a much-needed catalyst for SOXL as it navigates through a volatile market. The increasing popularity of leveraged exchange-traded funds indicates a growing appetite among investors for amplified short-term gains, especially amid expectations of market rebounds. In the short term, SOXL may benefit from this renewed investor confidence, particularly if the semiconductor industry stabilizes and demonstrates growth potential. However, the long-term outlook remains uncertain, as the exchange-traded fund will need to show consistent performance against ongoing market pressures, including geopolitical factors and technological advancements in artificial intelligence. Investors should proceed with caution, remaining mindful of SOXL's inherent volatility and the risks associated with leveraged investments. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and so far, it has fallen by 10.3%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. The SOXL ETF holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the ETF. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at 16.69 and 14.6. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 13 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was noted 114 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal emerged 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals, short moving average, a buy signal was observed 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal, appeared 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 206 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.95 and $13.29. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, SOXL finds support at $15.95. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $13.29 and $12.77. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this exchange-traded fund is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $1.06 between its high and low, which represents a change of 6.58%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 7.26%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $17.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $15.95. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.03, which reflects a decrease of 5.17%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a considerable level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, meaning you may want to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell rating to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, June 3rd, we expect SOXL to open lower by 222/100ths of a dollar and begin trading at $16.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What are your targets for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.